So I was actually about to work on like this bundle, okay, and I noticed that because of the way the bundle was folded, it looks, a bit ragged. It's not straight. So if you're sewing it in a sewing machine, you're going to have issues. So I'm going to show you how to correct this if you should experience something like this. Okay, not all bundles are like rolled into like a circular form. Some are like rolled like this, especially with the luxurious double joint bundles. So if you get something like this is what you can do to straighten it, or to make it like look presentable, or to make it straight and take away the raggedness, so that you can sew it properly in a sewing machine without having it looking bumpy. So let's just see this particular part. Yeah, we're going to work on that in a bit. This is what I have now after using the straightener. Okay, this is what I have now. I have two other bundles to show you, and I'm going to do that on camera so that you can see. Okay, so with this, when you're working on the sewing machine, it's going to be easy for you to double the wefts and sew it on the cap without getting any lumps. Okay, so this is what we are going to fix. Okay, this is what we are going to fix, and this is what we have already fixed. So this one looks better than this one. Do you see the difference? So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to look for the fold here. Okay, you're going to look for this fold. Okay, this fold, and then you're going to take your straightener. This is the tool I'm going to use. I'm going to use a straightener, and then I'm going to straighten it as I go. Okay, so I'm going to take a straightener. You're going to take your straightener and then put it in between. Focus. Okay, and then pull the bundle as you go. Right, so okay, so you can see there is an improvement, or there is a change. Okay, and then we are going to continue doing that till we get to the end. Okay, so this side looks more raggedy, so let's see. Okay, so you see what we have now after using the straightener. Okay, this is what we have now, the 3 bundles. So let me know what you guys think. So that's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.